Number 7, these are those translatings of our graph. We did a whole lot of translating already, left and right, up and down. We have to remember that in with the x, it shifts it left or right. The n number shifts it up or down. With the x, we said x minus 1 equals 0. So when we did our shift, we had to add 1. X equals 1, which is positive. That's going to move it to the right 1. The number on the end moves it in the same direction as what the sign says. So since it's a minus 4, it's going to move it down 4. So I'm going to take whatever dot they have marked. I'm going to move it to the right 1 and down 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to drop it, and then the computer's going to redraw it however it's supposed to look, over there to the right 1 and down 4. So same shifting rules that we had in the graphing section when we had other expressions like absolute values and squares and cubes and all of that. The rules are still the same. So that was number 7. This is number 8. Number 8 again. In with my x, the x plus 2, if I set it equal to 0, I would have to minus 2. So x is going to go to the left 2 places since it's negative 2. The number on the end is positive, so it's going to go up 3. So I'm going to grab this point, I'm going to go left 2, up 1, 2, 3. There's my new point, and then my graph is just going to redraw however it's going to look, so it's nice and straight, and it'll look something sort of like that. Number 9, same kind of thing. I'm translating my graph. I know this is going to move it left or right. Hopefully by now you know which way it is, but I'll work it out anyway. I'm going to add my 3, so it's going to go to the right. 3. This is going to move it up 2. So I'm going to take this point. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right and 1, 2 up. It's going to redraw my graph however it's supposed to look over there. Something like that. Remember, you grab that hand tool and just pull it over and up, and you'll have your graph. So hopefully those ones are pretty easy because we already did a lot of that in the graphing section.